Hi, this is Mr. Lowe. I'm just going to give a quick introduction on how to create assignments in different places and then put them into the hub. So I'm going to do OpenStax Tutor because I had a request for that. Now, some programs will let you actually get a link to your assignment, some will not. So Tutor is an example where you can get a link, and I'll go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to log into my Tutor account. This is for AP Physics. All right, and I have different assignments I've already created. So let me go create a dummy assignment. I'm just going to say add. I'll do a reading assignment. We'll call it chapter 1.3. Read and answer questions. You can write whatever you want here. OpenStax reading template. I want it due on that day. That's all fine. I would spend more time on that if I were actually creating something. Save and continue. I need to add a chapter. Here's chapter 1.3. Save and continue. Publish. All right, so now I've got an assignment. This is the one that I just put together. It says it's publishing, but I want kids to, because of what we're doing on HSD, I want kids to mark it complete in the hub when it's done. So now you saw it just stopped publishing. So how do I link those things together? So first thing I'll do is I'll go in here. I'm going to click on Get Assignment Link. And when I did that, it showed up here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And there's a couple ways you can do it. You can right click and hit copy, or you could select the whole thing and hit Control C, whatever you need to do there. All right, so now I'm kind of done in OpenStax, but I need to go to the hub. So let's make a new one of these. I'm going to go into my Sandbox account, and that account is here. Now I need to add an assignment, but I'm going to put it in a specific place. I don't want to just do it willy-nilly. So I'll put it into this third period one, which I'll get rid of in a sec. So I'll hit add assignment. And I want to add a task. So if I scroll down here, I'll see task. So here I can say OpenStax chapter 1.3 reading. And then you need to give notes. So use this link to access OpenStax assignment, or you can write whatever you want. Now notice that didn't paste in very well. So the right way to do a link in here is to click this button in the hub and then put it in the URL, and then it'll work well. And then I'm going to leave a little note. Mark this task complete when you are done. And then I'll put a deadline, and the deadline needs to be consistent with whatever you put in OpenStax. That's what that one was. It was 9/4. Say it's homework. You can add it to a plan if you want, and then you hit. Oh, one more thing. If you can set when you want it to show up. So maybe I don't want this to show up, or maybe I do want it to show up right away. I can do that. If I want to say open up for a specific time, I would use these buttons here. But I'm just going to save it now. And that assignment is now created for that class. And I could copy it to other classes. I could add it to plans and all that. But if I were to click here, watch what happens. Boom, takes me right to these assignments, and they can click on whatever they need to click on. All right. So that's how you would set up an assignment in OpenStax and then link it back into the hub.